Art has been said to be an expression of the body, heart, and soul. Rob Wilson is an original mixed media abstract artist. His art is unique in that it starts with an image as tiny as his fingernail, and then he blows it up to as large as the side of a house. Mathematically, Rob's art uses geometric functions. He represents a small image by a set of points and then applies a function to it with the help of a computer to enlarge it. Let's look at a function that can make this happen. Suppose we place the original image in the first quadrant of a Cartesian coordinate system, with the bottom left corner on the origin. Now plot a few points in the image. To enlarge or shrink it, we can use the process of scaling. Scaling is a geometric transformation that expands or contracts a set of points proportionately from a fixed center. If the origin is used as the center, simply multiplying the x and y coordinates of each point by the same number achieves the transformation. Dilation or expansion enlarges an image, and contraction shrinks it, in either case without changing its shape. To expand an image, you can multiply the coordinates by a number greater than 1. To contract it, you can multiply by a number less than 1. Let's expand this image. First, record the coordinates of the points marked on the art. Here's the function to make the image 80 times its original size. F of x and y equals 80 times x and 80 times y. The domain for this function includes the set of points in the original image. The range includes the set of points in the enlarged image. To determine the coordinates of the transformed points in the range, evaluate the function for each of the original x and y values in the domain of the function. Now plot these points. Notice that the image is exactly the same shape, but has dimensions 80 times the original dimensions, going from ½ an inch by 3/4 of an inch to about 3 feet by 5 feet. Now what if Rob wanted to flip the image? Flipping an image can be as easy as taking the opposite of all the x or y coordinates. If only the y coordinates are changed to their negative values, the image is flipped over the x-axis, making the image upside down and reversed as though in a mirror. Making the x coordinates negative flips the art across the y-axis, producing its mirror image reversed from right to left. And making both the x and y coordinates negative is like flipping the image twice, producing an image that's the same as one rotated 180 degrees, here from the first quadrant into the third quadrant. Rob's work inspires all those who come to see it. We can see how it can be described as functional, in a way.